Don't really love feeling the breeze on my buttocks.
Alexasunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, alexasunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny Sunday. What is up? Today's video is the first thrift with me of 2020, and honestly, I haven't gone thrifting, I think, in over 2 weeks because of my whole toe thing. This was actually the first time I've driven farther than 20 miles. Today, we are going to try to thrift 2020 trends. Now, these are projected trends, and although I believe that you should wear whatever the heck you want, I do want to show you guys, if you do like a specific trend, that you can find it at the thrift store. A lot of trends have already happened before. Thrift stores are amazing because people probably have donated those items that were trends once before. So we are at Savers. I have about 10 trends and we are going to see how many that we can find. The first projected trend are hot pant shorts. So they're super short shorts. I am definitely one of those people that likes to have my shorts not necessarily Bermuda, but not going up my butt. Itty bitty knit shorts are potentially going to be quite big. Number 2 is crochet things. So I had seen this trend a couple of times last year when I was doing these videos. They have a lot of crochet dresses, so we will see if we can find something like that. It actually says not your grandmother's crochet. Number 3 are bra tops. I don't know if it's the whole sleepwear to casual wear trend that has been going on that I personally have really liked. It's definitely probably more skin than I'm used to wearing, but that's what these videos are about. Not about showing skin, but doing something that you don't normally do. 60s wallpaper pattern says instead of doing florals this season, looking to 60s and 70s wallpaper for your print fix. Another one I'm not too excited about are feathers. In 2019, I really opened myself up to blazers and also button-ups, kind of that more professional wear, and vests seem to be a 2020 trend, kind of that dapper look. This next one is spring leather, where leather is ready to have its moment during spring, so it shows a lot of bright leathers. I think there are certain patterns that are just kind of timeless. They will always be big. I think they go in and out of being mainstream, very similar to kind of cheetah, which is polka dots. I don't think that'll be too difficult to find. And then the 10th trend I really want to find is actually finding something with the Pantone's Pantone, which is classic blue. Those are our 2020 trends. We will see how many that we can find. Little toe update. It's doing so much better, although yesterday I went on 2 walks and I think that was a mistake because it is a little bit achy today. I'm going out without that boot things just because my docks are very flat, so I think it's okay because I'm not moving my toes. Hopefully the toe situation will be a thing of the past very soon. When I walked in, I was like, wait, where's the big racks for the Christmas stuff? And then I forgot, oh yeah, it's mid-January and now it's just back to normal thrifting. RIP Christmas time. Ooh, wow, those shoes are awesome. Holy cannoli. These are so cool. They are not to my size, but look at how just cool they look. Not part of the trend, but you know, just me getting distracted as always. I think the first thing I'm going to take a look at are the hot pant shorts, just because I don't really actually go into the short section that often, and I think because it's still quite chilly, they should have a good amount, although again, I'm not looking for my regular just denim mom jean shorts, so. This really gives me I mean, not 80s vibes, I don't know, it just gives me that very vintage vibe. I think I may try it on. It doesn't really go with any of the trends. Again, what the heck, I found another corduroy faux shearling jacket. All those months looking for one, and now I just keep finding a bunch of them. Oh, there are vests over here. I guess we will actually do that one first. I'm not a massive vest person. I think I'm getting used to denim vests, but definitely not these proper vests. Cool. It's a bunch of bedazzledness on it. I'm not completely sure if this goes with the crochet trend or if this is crochet, but when I think of crocheted things, kind of think of this, so just gonna grab it. Tommy Hilfiger overalls, what? Not on my list, but I can't pass those up, come on. Who wears short shorts? Apparently I do wear short shorts because I have to for this trend. So I'm just kind of grabbing the ones that I think look the most like the photos that I saw. They seem to mostly be from Forever 21, which I'm not surprised. I literally broke the hanger, but it's just always happened to me. Okay, we will keep these on the side then for now. I am in the jean section because, wow, there's literally nobody in the store. Holy moly, I just realized how loud I was talking because usually I have to like scream so you guys can hear me. But anyway, I am in the jean section because I just want to see if I can find a pair to kind of like style, especially because I'm not wearing like jeans, so it's gonna probably look a little bit weird. Which we will see. When it comes to thrifting jeans, like sometimes it's a good day and sometimes it's a bad day. I'm so sad. These jeans are so perfect. They're by Calvin Klein. They're $20, but they are in a size 16, and gosh darn, whoever ends up thrifting this, love them so much because they are beautiful. Now that is a Coachella type of skirt. This is kind of that 60s wallpaper, although of course it is from LuLaRoe. Now this is one fiery skirt. Oh, it is leather, but we want light colored leather. Found this velvet blazer, and is it just me, or are like velvet blazers so gosh darn awesome? I'm not gonna get it because I don't think it's my size, but just appreciation footage of velvet blazers. If you were trying to dress as like Slytherin house, kind of want to try it on, although I am a Gryffindor, unfortunately. I want to be a Slytherin, come on. Can't believe I just found this Disney dress, like, although it is $18, I am gonna try it on. I feel like the feather one is the only one I'm having like an issue with. I found polka dots like literally everywhere. Also, a little note, lime green, neon green, green in general is still a like pretty popular trend even going into 2020. I'm finding a lot of blues though, like look at how pretty that is. So out of all these, I'm trying to figure out which one is, sorry, my like thing is in the way. Which one is the most like the classic blue? Kind of this, but I think this is too dark. So maybe this, but I'm not really loving this color. It's kind of more like a royal blue. I was like, at least one person will actually know what I'm doing. It's always like the most awkward. Yeah, I went a little bit crazy. I am now going to go into the fitting rooms. I can only take in 6 at a time, so this is going to be a fun time. There are some pieces that aren't really for this video. I may show them, but if I do end up buying anything, I'll do it in a separate thrift haul, just because I want this specifically to be about just trends, 2020 trends. Unless I really like one of the trends, then I'll buy it. Yeah, okay, let's go. All right, so this is the first trend. This is the 60s, 70s style like wallpaper pattern. I don't think it's necessarily completely like the trend, but it was the best I could do. I was actually quite surprised I didn't see many shirts with this like funky, almost like more warm tone pattern. I did my best. These jeans definitely do not fit me, but figured they would make the look. Yeah, not one of my favorite trends. Also, I did have this like, I think it's almost like the classic blue color turtleneck, and I figured this would be absolutely perfect, but gosh darn, I cannot get this over my head. I'm just having a big head day or something. I literally can't get it over, but technically that's one of the other trends. So got a trend, got another trend. All right, so we have some polka dots. Yeah, there's nothing too extravagant about this one. I think polka dots, I mean, they're pretty basic. They're like stripes. I really wanted to go for a full polka dot look because I found some polka dot like tops and everything, but I figured I would really like show the trend. Does kind of remind me of like Minnie Mouse. So for the vest look, I definitely don't think I'm doing it justice whatsoever. I think you could make it really cute if I had more like professional looking pants, and I just felt like shirt-wise I don't really know what to do. I technically could do it with a button-up, but then at that point I think that's a little bit too professional looking. This was not a good choice whatsoever. I'm not saying no necessarily to the trend, but I'm definitely saying no to this outfit. Crochet time. I definitely feel like this is a like Coachella type of look. I definitely wouldn't wear it, and honestly I'm not a super fan of crochet because it gets caught on everything. Like I almost ripped it already just getting it out of the cart, but I feel like this more like brighter, different color crochet is a little bit more like the trend. I had grabbed another crochet top that isn't as scandalous as this one, but I think this is kind of more what the trend is talking about. Again, with the pants, it really does not go. Every time I'm like, I'm gonna make outfits, like, their store does not bless me with bottoms. With the bra top trend, I definitely think it can work. I know personally, I definitely cannot wear it without high-waisted pants, but I think if you have like a blazer and you make it more like chic, I think it can look really good. Although again, I am just wearing a bra, so. And this bra, honestly, it fits so well. I think I may just get it for myself. No, I really thought the hot pant short shorts were going to be the one that I hated the most, but I think the crochet one was. It's not bad. These ones are just some faux leather kind of short shorts. I had grabbed a couple that were similar. It's kind of this like short, almost like a pattern short short. In the actual like article it said more knitwear, but the knit ones, like, they were okay. They basically are all the same. And you know, yeah, it's a little bit too short for my liking. Don't really love feeling the breeze on my buttocks. It's a look and it's coming back, unfortunately. So the last trend I was going to show was a faux leather skirt. Now I didn't find any spring leathers, which are those very like more bright leather colors. Found this and I was gonna be like, oh, but I, you know, kind of found something, at least leather, but it's way too tight. It will not go over my thighs, so I didn't find any feathers as well. And this kind of like trends video actually went different than I thought it was gonna go. I thought maybe I would like some of these trends, but I really don't. Again, I am just taking what the thrift store is giving me, but like it didn't give me too much hope with what is going to be like projected trends of 2020. Although I feel like a lot of the trends I did find in the articles were ones I already covered, so obviously they're just spilling over from 2019. But I am now going to try on all the other stuff that I got, and I will check in with you after I do that, which will probably take me an hour. I feel like I look like a cockroach in this. Well, I somehow just spent over $100 at Savers, and I truly don't know how that happened. Like, there are definitely some pieces that Savers knew that they could charge a little bit higher because they are gems, like those Disney overall skirt, wait, not skirt, it's an overalls dress, yes. But yeah, overall, I think it went pretty well in the department of actually going for stuff that I personally liked. I think it definitely reminded me that, number one, trends aren't necessarily like rules or like what you should be wearing. If something's out of trend, like, you should still wear it if you love it. I just wanted to say that, and I think you will be able to see that in Wednesday's video when I show you everything that I actually picked up for myself, which if you guys like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure you hit subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, alexasunshine83, to keep up to date with me during the week. I hope you guys have a super sunny Sunday. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!